Happy Sunday, everybody. We got the Fairlane 500 out. We're going to get it started here. My dad is, we're being recorded. The solenoid. But look at these Americans, real Americans. This body is just so nice on this thing. I mean, I'm not a real Ford guy, but this is a pretty good looking car. We're gonna clean it up. It's gonna get detailed out. Dual exhaust. The whole side looks good. All this is just dust on the car. On the bright work, it'll be all cleaned up. Here's the interior. Like I said, it's a 5-speed Tremec. That console's coming out. That's just a wanky console. I don't get it. Why he had it there. He's a console guy. He had one on his Suburban. But there's the dash. There's the 5-speed. Now, checking the... Now, I'm just using my hand because I can't get the camera around there, but let me do that. Make sure, show you. The steering column tree doesn't look like it had a shifter on the column. So we're assuming this was a 4-speed bench seat car. And the numbers, as you can see here, are painted over. We're gonna I'll get some lacquer thinner and clean that up. It's so nice though. All the trim. I mean, the trim looks flawless. Back window, the guy was a Marine, a Triumph. Don't know about the motor. It came with 289, but those are real deal Americans all the way around. And they're all in really nice, perfect shape. I don't know if those were the polished. Oh, that looks like the lips have been polished on it. But here's this car. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. But I'll do another video once we get it running. Okay, it's on eBay now.